Hi guys, it's Night Owl here, and this is a Night Owl cab for Joyce Delson. We're going to play Nerf trick shots, and I've got 30 seconds to hide. So, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so
30 seconds.
Going to hide.
Copyright reasons. Okay guys, hide like hell. Without dropping his tablet, we're gonna bounce. Ah, my back. So this is me. And for copyright reasons, I'm not allowed to show you the nice view. For copyright reasons. Copyright reasons, he has to try and hit me. Okay, it's been over a minute now, so you should be on the hunt. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'm getting tired of this. Oh wait, Oliver's there. If you're barking, that's probably Oliver. Ah, he is there. Trick shots, trick shots, trick shots, trick shots. He's gonna shoot me! He's gonna shoot me with a big shotgun.
Do you have any last words?
No thanks. He's gonna get me. He missed. He misses the first shot. He got the second shot ahead. As opposed to a tractor, we're alright.
Final bullet. Your final life. You've got 3 lives actually. You've got 3 lives.
This ain't my
Don't get time out, you're it.
Oh.
Jaden, come now, you're the shooter. Pick up all the bullets, please.
Switching to overcam.
Yeah, Oliver cam.
Yes, 30 seconds to hide. 3, 2,
No, I need to put my shoes on. Get your bullets while I put my shoes on. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm putting my shoes on. And good. Hello. So. Okay. Jaden, I'm ready. Are you gonna count? Okay, guys, I will be back in a second. Okay, back. Okay, I'm back. Run, guys. Let's run. Okay, let's hide up on the garage. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put it down while I get up on the garage. Okay, I am on the garage. I'm on the garage. I'm up on the garage. This is the garage. I'm on the garage right now, waiting for anyone to give me a headshot. Okay, so it's starting raining. I don't know. Is he there? Is he there? I can't see him. Oh god, no, he's gonna be there. There's no way. I know. He's there. I can see him. He's got there. He's right there. He's right there. Okay guys, he's right. He was right there. Okay, I've got the sneezes. Hopefully that doesn't give me away. Don't try this at home, guys. Don't stand on your garage. I'm just doing it for the entertainment. And I'm scared. If he sees me, I'm screwed. If he sees me, I am screwed. If he sees me, I am totally screwed. Okay. I don't want to get down because Jaden. Jaden! Okay. Don't know who she is. Jaden, I'm in the garage! Okay guys, hopefully, I said in the garage, I'm not on the garage. So hopefully he goes in the garage, not on the garage. Okay. This is like 6 minutes already, just on the dot of 6 minutes. Oh god, I'm pretty scared. Jaden, are you there? I'm scared. Okay guys, I'm gonna get down. No, I'm scared. Should I get down? That's all the purpose. Should I get down? Okay. I would jump. Oh god, I really don't know what I should do. Jaden! What should I do? Okay, I'm gonna come back down. Okay guys, I'm gonna come back down. Okay, let's get back down. I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I've made it on my other roof. If Jamie was here, he would know what my other roof is. So I'm in my roof. I'm in like, if he comes out, he's pretty much in my door. He's in my house. I heard that. He's in my house, isn't he? Okay. I don't know if I should end the video. Mom, where's Jaden? Okay, I know. Just where's Jaden? Oh God, no! Okay, boys. He's found us. He found us. The Bio Army has found us. I've got 3 lives. Oh, dodge. Dodge. Has it? You better go and get my bullets. No, you. Oh, lol. No, you have to go and get that bullet, like. Oh, headshot. You have to. LOL. Shit. Okay, I've got 2. I've got 2 lives left. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm back. Like, it's been like 10 minutes. I'm really scared. Don't know You can't shoot it over. No, you can't shoot them over. You can't shoot them over, Jaden. It might be jammed. Lol. Lol, 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 lol. Fudge. There might be one in the pipes. Open the cartridge. Oh, you found one. You know, if you shoot them, you have to go and get them, okay? Okay. Shit. Only if you get at close range. Shit. If he's good at close range. Yes, run! Okay, boys. Boys, I'm making the jump. Leap of faith. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I should do leap of faith. Derp. Derpity derp. 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 Oh shit. Oh yes, miss. No, that was a miss. I've got 2 lives remaining. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. Yeah? No, you have to actually use my... Oh, good shit. Yes. Okay, boys, let's run. Let's make a derpy escape. Okay, boys, derpy escape starting now. Episode 1 of the derpy escape. Good shit. You mother trucker. Don't. Haha. Did you fire? Oh. I'll jump. I will. Fudge. Let's climb the ladder. Shit. Yes. Leverage you right there. Okay, leverage you right there. Let's get down. Yes. Shit. Don't even have any bullets. But are they working? Shoot me. Should I help you? Time out. I'll help you. Should we just end the video and you can shoot me? It's on 13 minutes. Okay.
One way only.
Which way is it? I've got that way. No, it's either that way or that way, so I've got 2 ways actually. Okay, fire, man. Let's move. Move. Leverage. Yes! Guys, we had a juicy escape. Hello. Hey, Dave! I'm bomb ready. Shit! Done. Go and get it. After. Okay, I commit suicide. You can shoot. Do you have an aim? I've got 1 life remaining.
Let's just see.
Okay, shoot me. Let's just say I won. Goodbye and farewell.